Hey guys, for this video, I'm going to show you where to find your presets in CapCut. So first, you're going to open your CapCut application, and for you to actually save presets, you actually need to have your account signed in like this one. Then once you've done that, you're either going to click on Create Project or you're going to open one. Then you want to go to Import over here at the top left corner. Then you're going to click on Device. And under that, you'll be able to see your presets, and this is where you'll be able to see the presets that you have saved. And in order to create a preset or to save a preset, you're simply going to click on an element that you have in your track or in your video. Then you'll be able to see Save as Preset over here at the right side. So if you click on that, that will be saved as a preset that you'll be able to see over in this area. So I hope this helps, and thanks for watching.